A world where we control the weather, prevent natural disasters, and power entire cities with limitless energy. This is the next great leap in our civilization's evolution, a step towards becoming a Type 1 civilization. But what does that mean, and how close are we to achieving it? In 1964, Soviet astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev introduced the Kardashev Scale, a system that classifies civilization based on their energy consumption. According to this scale, a Type 1 civilization, also called a planetary civilization, can harness and utilize all the energy available on its home planet. In comparison, a Type 2 civilization controls the energy of its entire star, while a Type 3 civilization commands power on a galactic scale. Right now, humanity is only a Type 0.72, meaning we have yet to fully utilize Earth's energy potential. But the transition to Type 1 is inevitable if we can overcome the challenges ahead. A Type 1 civilization would have mastery over its planet. This means using renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal power on a massive scale, eliminating reliance on its fossil fuels. It would also involve weather control, where advanced meteorological engineering could prevent hurricanes, droughts, and even regulate temperature shift. Beyond this, we could prevent earthquakes and natural disasters by manipulating tectonic activity. Politically, a Type 1 society would likely become more unified, with global governance emerging to manage the planet's energy and resources efficiently. Wars and economic disparities might be reduced as technology fosters a more interconnected world. However, reaching Type 1 status will not be easy. The first major challenge is energy consumption. We must generate and efficiently use 10 quadrillion watts of power, a feat that demands breakthrough in fusion energy, quantum computing, and AI-driven energy management. Social and political resistance could also slow down progress, as nations and corporations struggle over power and resources. Furthermore, climate change, geopolitical conflicts, and potential misuse of technology pose risks that could derail humanity's progress. Despite these obstacles, many scientists, including theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, believes that humanity could transition to a Type 1 civilization within the next 100 to 200 years, assuming we do not destroy ourselves first. The choices we make today regarding energy, sustainability, and cooperation will determine our future. Becoming a Type 1 civilization is not just about technological advancements, it's about ensuring our survival as a species. Okay, now let's talk about Type 2 civilization, or stellar civilization, is one that controls the total energy out of a star. This means harnessing 10 power 26 watts of power, 10 billion times what we currently consume. Now let's talk about Dyson Sphere concept. The most popular idea for harnessing stellar energy is the Dyson Sphere, a megastructure that surrounds a star, capturing and storing its energy. With this power, civilization could build artificial planets, terraformed worlds, and advanced space habitats. Interstellar expansion. With nearly unlimited energy, humanity would become a space-faring species, colonizing moons, planets, and even entire solar systems. Travel between worlds would become routine. Artificial intelligence and post-human evolution. At this stage, AI and biotechnology may allow humans to merge with machines, extending lifespan and intelligence beyond biological limits. We may no longer be purely human, but something more. However, even a Type 2 civilization is limited to a single star system. To truly become a master of the universe, we must reach Type 3, a galactic civilization. Now let's explore about this. A Type 3 civilization is a species that commands the energy of an entire galaxy. This means 10 to power 36 watts of power, an amount beyond our current comprehension. Colonizing the Milky Way. Such a civilization would spread across billions of stars, constructing Dyson Spheres, artificial worlds, and even stellar engines, devices that move entire stars to a new location. Galactic AI and superintelligence, AI systems that would likely manage all aspects of civilization, creating a vast interconnected networks of intelligence beyond human understanding. Mastery of physics. A Type 3 civilization may control black holes, manipulate time, and even create a universe that through advanced physics. Concepts like wormhole travel and interdimensional exploration might become reality. Now, where do we go from here? Our journey on the Kardashev scale is just the beginning. The transition to Type 1 will likely happen within the next century or two. Type 2 may take a few thousand of years, and reaching Type 3 could take millions. But the potential is there if we survive, adapt, and push the boundaries of the science. The question remains, will we make it, or will we remain trapped by the limitations of our past?